Hello everyone, today we are going to be taking a tour of one of our beautiful Deer Valley homes, the home that we call the Robin's Nest. The Robin's Nest is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,920 square foot customizable home with a number of higher end features. So let's take a look at all this home has to offer. This beautiful home can be built as either a manufactured home or a modular home. For more information about the differences in manufactured and modular homes, please see our YouTube video explaining the differences in factory-built housing. There are a number of different exterior options on this home. You can select different roof pitches, different dormer options, different siding options, and a whole lot more. This home is fully customizable both inside and outside of the home. At around $88 per square foot, this home really does have some incredible features. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, and a few other factors. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more great home tours. Also, please let us know what you like about this home or what you would like to change about this home in the comments section below. We love hearing your feedback. Notice the luxury vinyl tile flooring in this home. This is just one of many different colors you have to choose from and different flooring options that you have to choose from. You can choose from a variety of different tiles, laminates, carpets, hardwood, and much more. This home features 2x6 exterior walls versus your typical site-built home having a 2x4 exterior sidewall. This improves both the energy efficiency due to having R19 insulation in the walls rather than R11 insulation in the walls, and it also strengthens the home structure. Our Robin's Nest is also built with spruce lumber construction rather than pine. What does that mean? Spruce is a harder wood than pine and it performs better. This home has all number 1 or number 2 grade lumber in its construction. That not only strengthens the structure of the home, but it also helps with the fit and finish of the home by keeping the walls, ceilings, and floors more square. This home is also equipped with croft windows that are much more energy efficient and a higher quality window that will last much longer than your standard windows. Our Robin's Nest is also built with TechShield roof decking. TechShield is an upgraded roof decking that keeps your attic space cooler in the summer, cutting your cooling costs by around 30%. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we equip our Robin's Nest with an insulation package that is both beyond the Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package and Energy Star. With the insulation package we build into this home, TechShield roof decking, and croft windows we build into this home, it is incredibly energy efficient. This home can be equipped with an energy-efficient heat pump or a gas furnace, depending on your needs. You will also find that this home comes with a modern built-in electric fireplace in the living room, an upgraded trim package throughout the home, and a decorative wood plank board feature wall in the living room around the fireplace. All of the colors inside and outside of this home are optional as well. You can select different siding, roofing, dormers, flooring, cabinets, countertops, paints, appliances, and many more different types of options inside and outside of the home for your color choices. This manufactured or modular home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video about manufactured homes and storms. As far as different options go, you can upgrade or downgrade a lot of different options inside and outside of the home to meet your budget. You can also select different siding, roofing, flooring, cabinets, countertops, walls, appliances, insulation packages, faucets, and sinks in the kitchens and the bathrooms. There are a number of different flooring options available as well, such as laminate or tile. And there are also a number of different appliance packages available. You can also select different exteriors to this home. You can get this home with a different roof pitch, you can add a dormer, and there are a number of different exterior features that you can add or remove, or you can choose from different siding options as well. If you are renting now and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money every month on your utility bills and maintenance costs, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. We have seen several cases where customers come in from an older home that is poorly insulated that can actually save more money by getting into a new home due to their extremely high utility bills. That's right, in some cases, if you have extremely high utility bills, buying a new home might just be less money than staying in that older home and wasting all that money on very high utility bills. There are also many different tax saving benefits to owning your new home that might also make it much more affordable for you to purchase a new home. Here at Kentucky Dream Homes, we have a large variety of different homes at different quality levels and different price levels. We like to say here at Kentucky Dream Homes, we have a home for everyone. We will help you find the right home for you that will fit your budget. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. We now service 5 states including Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Tennessee, and Missouri. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and our phone numbers can be located on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, and a few other factors. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more great home tours. Also, let us know what you think about this home and what you would like to change about this home in the comments section below. We love hearing your feedback. To see more of our great home tours, just click on the link on the screen right now. And let us help you find your dream home at Kentucky Dream Homes. We guarantee the lowest prices, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you for shopping at Kentucky Dream Homes.